Hello, my dear students, all the viewers and subscriber. Welcome in our today's lecture. Today we are going to learn about laboratory test for the basic nature of amine as well as electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic amine. In last lecture, we had completed the basic nature of amine as well as all the factors affecting on its basicity. So we know that all the amines are basic in nature due to presence of lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom of amine, and that lone pair of electron is called non-bonding pair of electron. So all the amine donate these non-bonding pair of electron to another substance, therefore they are basic in nature. Okay, now today we will study about laboratory test for basic nature of amine. There are the two tests. One is litmus paper test and second one is the neutralization reaction. Now all the amines are basic in nature, therefore they turn red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. It is the simplest test for basic nature of amine. We know that in acidic substance, blue litmus is changes to red, and in basic substance red litmus is converted into blue litmus. So all the amines are basic in nature, therefore they turn means convert the red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. तो बेटा सब के सब अमाइन बेसिक नेचर के है, इसलिए बेटा अमाइन में रेड लिटमस पेपर डिप किए तो बेटा वो रेड लिटमस पेपर का कलर ब्लू लिटमस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता. इट इज द वन टेस्ट फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ बेसिक नेचर ऑफ अमाइन. नाउ सेकेंड टेस्ट, when amine react with hydrochloric acid. We know that amine is basic in nature and hydrochloric acid is acidic in nature, and when acid react with base, that reaction is called neutralization and it form the salt, right? So when amine, all the amine, it will be primary, secondary or tertiary. So when amine react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, then it form alkyl ammonium chloride salt. If it is primary, then alkyl ammonium chloride. If it is secondary, dialkyl ammonium chloride. And if it is tertiary, then it form trialkyl ammonium chloride salt. So when amine react with HCl, then it form ammonium chloride salt. This ammonium chloride salt react with sodium hydroxide solution to regenerate original amine. And regeneration of original amine indicate the amines are basic in nature. तो बेटा जब अमाइन रिएक्ट करता HCl के साथ तो बेटा वो फॉर्म करता अमोनियम क्लोराइड सॉल्ट. प्राइमरी अमाइन है तो अल्काइल अमोनियम क्लोराइड, सेकेंडरी अमाइन है तो बेटा डाई अल्काइल अमोनियम क्लोराइड, और टर्शरी अमाइन है तो ट्राई अल्काइल अमोनियम क्लोराइड सॉल्ट. और ये बेटा अमोनियम क्लोराइड सॉल्ट रिएक्ट करता NaOH के साथ और बेटा वापस रीजनरेट करता ओरिजिनल अमाइन. और बेटा ओरिजिनल अमाइन जो रीजनरेट होता ये इंडिकेट करता कि अमाइन बेसिक नेचर के है. Now C reaction, RNH2, it is a primary amine. So when primary amine react with HCl, now these HCl undergo dissociation to form H positive Cl negative. These H positive added in NH2, so compound becomes RNH3 positive Cl negative. RNH3 positive Cl negative. This compound is called alkyl ammonium chloride. और अगर बेटे यहाँ पे R2NH लिए तो R2NH2 पॉजिटिव Cl निगेटिव, उसे बोलेंगे डाई अल्काइल अमोनियम क्लोराइड. और बेटा यहाँ R3N लिए तो यहाँ फॉर्म होगा बेटा R3N पॉजिटिव NH पॉजिटिव Cl निगेटिव, उसे बोलेंगे ट्राई अल्काइल अमोनियम क्लोराइड. So in the first step, when primary amine react with HCl, it forms alkyl ammonium chloride. Now these alkyl ammonium chloride react with NaOH, aqueous solution of NaOH. Now these Na positive combine with Cl negative to form NaCl. Now these OH negative combine with H positive to form H2O. And what will left here? RNH2. So it is RNH2. RNH2 means primary amine. So after completion of reaction, primary amine is regenerated. And this regeneration of primary amine indicate amines are basic in nature. So these two are the test for identification of basic nature of amine. One is the litmus paper test and second one is an reaction with HCl. Okay, now we will see electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic amine. Aromatic amine, aniline, or those amine containing benzene ring, that amines are called aromatic amine. So electrophilic substitution reaction of amine, especially aromatic amine, aniline. Electrophilic substitution means replacement by using positive species. Electrophile means positively charged species. Substitution means replacement. So electrophilic substitution, replacement by using positive charge, positive ion. Alright. Now in aniline, amino group is ortho-para directing. बेटा एनिलीन में जो अमाइनो ग्रुप होता है, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एनिलीन? इट इज द बेंजीन रिंग एंड NH2. इट इज एनिलीन. सो इन एनिलीन these amino group directly attached to benzene ring and this amino group is ortho-para directing group, means it generate the ortho and para position, and this amino group is a powerful ring activating group, means it activate the ring, complete benzene ring. Therefore aniline undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. तो बेटा एनिलीन में अमाइनो ग्रुप बेटा आर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप है और बेटा पावरफुल रिंग एक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप है. देयरफॉर एनिलीन अंडरगोस electrophilic substitution reaction. Now in this electrophilic substitution reaction, we have to study three substitution reaction. One is bromination, second one is nitration, third one is sulfonation. तो बेटा इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन में हमको 3 सब्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ना है। एक बेटा ब्रोमिनेशन, दूसरा बेटा नाइट्रेशन और तीसरा बेटा सल्फोनेशन। नाउ वी विल स्टडी वन बाय वन। So first electrophilic substitution reaction, that is the bromination of aniline। अब बेटा ब्रोमिनेशन करना है एनिलीन का। ब्रोमिनेशन, एडिशन ऑफ ब्रोमीन इज कॉल्ड ब्रोमिनेशन, और रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम बेंजीन रिंग ऑफ एनिलीन बाय ब्रोमीन इज कॉल्ड एज ब्रोमिनेशन ऑफ एनिलीन। तो बेटा जब एनिलीन के बेंजीन रिंग का हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस होता है किसका यूज करके, ब्रोमीन का यूज करके, दैट रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड ब्रोमिनेशन ऑफ एनिलीन। सो रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम बेंजीन रिंग ऑफ एनिलीन by bromine is called as bromination of aniline. Now when aniline undergoes bromination by using bromine water, then it forms 2,4,6 tribromoaniline। तो बेटा जब एनिलीन का ब्रोमिनेशन होता किसको यूज करके, ब्रोमीन वाटर Br2 plus H2O, right? Then it forms 2,4,6 tribromoaniline। See how reaction is takes place. Benzene ring NH2, it is aniline. So when aniline react with bromine in presence of water, and this bromine and water is called bromine water, right? अब बेटा बैलेंस करने के लिए 1 molecule of aniline and 3 molecules of bromine. Now one hydrogen from this ortho position, one hydrogen from ortho position, and one hydrogen atom from this para position. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 hydrogen combine with 3 bromine to form 3 HBr. 3 hydrogen combine with 3 bromine to form 3 HBr. Now here 3 bromines are left. So these 3 bromines are attached on this para position and ortho position. So compound becomes benzene ring NH2. 1 Br attached on second position, 1 Br attached on fourth position, 1 Br attached on sixth position. And this compound is called 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So when aniline undergoes bromination by using bromine water, then it forms 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So in this way bromination of aniline is carried out. So what is bromination? Replacement of hydrogen from benzene ring of aniline by bromine is called as bromination of aniline. And from the word addition of bromine on aniline is called as bromination of aniline. And when aniline undergoes bromination by using bromine water, then it forms. So when aniline undergoes bromination by using bromine water, then it forms 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Right? Now we will see nitration of aniline. अब बेटा हम स्टडी करेंगे नाइट्रेशन ऑफ एनिलीन. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टडी nitration of aniline, second electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline, that is nitration of aniline. As the name itself indicates, nitration, addition of nitric acid is called as nitration reaction. So those reaction in which nitric acid is added, That reaction is called as nitration reaction, or addition of nitro group is called as nitration reaction. Right? But the scientific definition, replacement of hydrogen from benzene ring of aniline by nitro group is called as nitration of aniline. तो बेटा वो रिएक्शन जिसमें एनिलीन का बेंजीन रिंग का हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस होता है नाइट्रो ग्रुप का यूज करके, दैट रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड नाइट्रेशन ऑफ एनिलीन. Now keep one thing in your mind. There are the two types of nitration in aniline. One, without deactivating amino group. Second one, with deactivating amino group. तो बेटा नाइट्रेशन के इसमें दो टाइप है. एक बेटा अमाइनो ग्रुप को डीएक्टिवेट करके, और दूसरा बेटा अमाइनो ग्रुप को बगैर डीएक्टिवेट करके. राइट? नाउ व्हेन एनिलीन undergoes nitration, listen carefully, it is most important. When aniline undergoes nitration in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid without deactivating amino group, जब बेटा एनिलीन का नाइट्रेशन होता कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के प्रेजेंस में अमाइनो ग्रुप को डीएक्टिवेट करे बगैर, राइट, देन इट फॉर्म दी थ्री प्रोडक्ट्स. ये बेटा तीन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करता. वन इज आर्थो नाइट्रो एनिलीन, सेकेंड वन इज मेटा नाइट्रो एनिलीन, एंड थर्ड वन इज पैरा नाइट्रो एनिलीन. मीन्स सब्सटीट्यूशन इज कैरिड आउट ऑन ऑल दी थ्री पोजीशन. सब्सटीट्यूशन बेटा तीनों पोजीशन पे होता, आर्थो, मेटा एंड पैरा. बट आउट ऑफ देम पैरा प्रोडक्ट इज मेजर about 51%, meta product is less than para product about 47%, and ortho product is very much minor about 2%. See here how reaction is takes place. It is aniline, benzene ring NH2, it is aniline, right? It is concentrated nitric acid. So when aniline undergoes nitration by using concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. अब बेटा ये नाइट्रिक एसिड को लिखे अपन ने ऐसा, OH सिंगल बॉन्ड NO2, राइट. अब ये थ्री मॉलिक्यूल है, ये थ्री मॉलिक्यूल फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम आर्थो पोजिशन एंड फ्रॉम OH, they combines to form H2O, right? NO2 group attach on ortho position. So benzene ring NH2 on ortho position NO2, and this compound is called ortho nitroaniline. Ortho nitroaniline. It is only 2%. ये बेटा प्रोडक्ट माइनर रहता, बहुत माइनर, ओनली अबाउट 2%. Second possibility, hydrogen from meta position and OH from nitric acid combines to form H2O. NO2 group attach on meta position to form benzene ring, NH2 and NO2 group on meta position. Now this compound is called meta-nitroaniline. It is about 47%. Now third possibility, right, one hydrogen from para position and from here OH, they combines to form H2O, and NO2 group attach on para position. So benzene ring, NH2 and NO2 group on para position, and this compound is called para nitroaniline. It is about 51%. So when aniline undergoes nitration in presence of concentrated nitric acid Then it forms the three product orthonitroaniline 2%, metanitroaniline 47%, and paranitroaniline 51%. Right? Now when for the formation of only paranitroaniline, अब बेटा अपने को तीनों प्रोडक्ट नहीं प्रिपेयर करना है, ओनली वी वांट टू प्रिपेयर paranitroaniline. So for the formation of paranitroaniline, amino group is deactivated by acetylation to form acetanilide. तो बेटा सिर्फ पैरानाइट्रोएनिलीन फॉर्म करना है, तो बेटा पहले अमाइनो ग्रुप को डीएक्टिवेट करते, and deactivation is carried out by using acetylation and to form acetanilide, right? Then this acetanilide undergoes nitration to form paranitroacetanilide. Paranitroacetanilide undergoes hydrolysis to form paranitroaniline. See how reaction takes place. It is very easy. Aniline C6H5NH2. Now we want to deactivate this amino group. So aniline undergoes acetylation by using acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. Now Cl from acetyl chloride and one hydrogen from amino group, they release as HCl. Right? Now this CH3C double bond O group attached to NH. So compound becomes benzene ring NH C double bond O CH3. Benzene ring NH C double bond O CH3, and this compound is called acetanilide. Right? So for the formation of only paranitroaniline, amino group is deactivated by acetylation to form acetanilide. Understood? Now this acetanilide undergoes nitration in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Now these OH from nitric acid and H from para position. बेटा नाइट्रिक एसिड में का OH और बेटा पैरा पोजीशन पे का H, दे कंबाइंस टू फॉर्म H2O. ये बेटा रिलीज हो गया, बन गया H2O. राइट? नाउ दिस NO2 ग्रुप अटैच ऑन पैरा पोजीशन to form benzene ring NH C double bond OCH3 and on para position nitro group, and this compound is called para-nitroacetanilide. This much acetanilide on para position, but a nitro group is there, therefore it is para-nitroacetanilide. Now in next step, these para-nitroacetanilide undergoes hydrolysis. Para-nitroacetanilide का बेटा होता hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means reaction with water, right? Now this CH3C double bond O combine with OH to form CH3C double bond OOH. It is acetic acid. तो ये बेटा acetic acid. Now what will left here? NH. From here H. They combines to form NH2. So benzene ring NH2 and NO2 group attach on para position, and this compound is called para-nitroaniline. So when aniline undergoes acetylation by using acetyl chloride, it forms acetanilide. Acetanilide undergoes nitration at para position to form para-nitroacetanilide. Now this para-nitroacetanilide undergoes hydrolysis to form para-nitroaniline. So in this way, nitration of aniline is carried out without deactivating amino group. it form the three product: orthonitroaniline 2%, metanitroaniline 47%, and paranitroaniline 51%. And for the formation of only paranitroaniline, amino group is deactivated by acetylation to form the acetanilide. Acetanilide undergoes nitration to form paranitroacetanilide. Paranitroacetanilide undergoes hydrolysis to form paranitroaniline. So in this way, nitration of aniline is carried out. And keep one thing in your mind: the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called as nitrating mixture. तो बेटे concentrated nitric acid और concentrated sulfuric acid, इन दोनों के मिक्सचर को बेटा क्या बोलते? नाइट्रेटिंग मिक्सचर. Now in next lecture we will study about sulfonation of aniline.